Hi, I'm Jamie from Dawsongroup. I'm just going to show you the Vauxhall combo, which has got a great feature for when you're a builder and you've got to carry a ladder. So what we'll go through is just open the sliding door here. You've got the drop box here. Slide that down, and then just inside here you've got the handle where you just drop the seats. Drop that down there, and then open the rear doors. Plenty of space in there, and we'll just go and get the ladders that we're about to put in. And then what we've also got on here is actually a cover just to put over the end of the step ladder, just to protect your actual dashboard for any damage that you can do. So as simple as that. Any more information, just give us a call.